Hello, welcome to our channel. This is the people know about a lot of people, but who are is not understanding you are in first time will be taking a backup from the C panel. This video will be useful. Follow the simple guidelines. Any website you can take from the backup purpose. We can using C panel option. C panel purpose. Go to option name is called file manager. There is a backup will be two things. Is a backup option is there, or you can go to the file manager. Click for backup option here. Download full account backup. Click here. Home directory. You can enter the mail ID. Generate the backup. It's a simple step. Once backup will be done, you can download from the cPanel option. You can receive by email itself. Next thing is called go to file manager. The option name is called public underscore HTML. Right click, compress. Total public underscore HTML, we can compress nothing but zip file with the your domain name option. First, to select the name is compulsory important. After that, you will select by the zip archive. After that one, you can change will be name is there. So before that, click any option. Don't give the name. First, select the option. After give the name, click for expose archive. This all file will be zip will be converted on your particular cPanel option. This is called total backup on your website. Two method. Backup will be full website, receive for email. This will be backup will be into download by the only cPanel option. Only will be cPanel option. Now it is going on here. Just give me the fraction of seconds. It is going to process. Maybe is the based on the content taking for less than 10 minutes or less than 25 minutes, less than 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The time will be dependent on by the based on the backup option. So follow the guidelines and back up the things will be here. So that is your compulsory follow instructions to backup will be here. So it is going on backup is there. Just follow the will be guidelines. Now this takes some time. Depend on the space, take some time will be here. So this backup will be based on website. If you are e-commerce, you can take the backup will be daily wise. Better to your backup will be there in your PC. Or you have the change the content will be weekly once. Once content will be changed, you take the backup will be there. Once will be zip file will be done, the backup available by the based on the timings. Today, this is a today one. Download it. Once file was downloaded, see this. This backup also done directly. This also you can download will be here. There's a two kind of download will be here. So that is the we can follow the will be instructions are here. So after download these steps, we can remove those. This file will be done. So this is the way we can take the backup on your particular website. This is compulsory key point each and every website holders. So follow these instructions and make it website will be proper backup on a particular PC option. So this is the backup option will be using cPanel will be each and every data before changing the website. If any further concern, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.